All right, welcome to Tom Mike's Garage. Mike over here.
Tom!
All right, so today we'll be doing a voltage drop test on this electrostim trainer here at our wonderful school, JTech.
What we're going to be demonstrating is the difference on what your readings are going to be when you're testing one component on a multiple component circuit via, we're going to do light bulbs today. And as you can see, my two lights lighting up on top. We're going to show you what a voltage drop is. Basically dividing the voltage between multiple loads. We only have two here. So we're going to start with whatever our source voltage is, and Mike's going to test that by going from our negative, which is going to be our negative so-called on a battery, and then our positive over here. And if you can see the meter, we're looking at about 13.7 volts. Now this is a 13.8 volt regulated system, which you're going to lose just a teeny bit fighting the resistance in the system. Alright, so to begin, Mike's going to go ahead and flip the power on the light bulbs. We have this wired up to a switch and then through a relay, so that way we're getting consistent power only through the bulbs, not through all the other components. Mike's going to go ahead and test both bulbs at the same time and see what both bulbs are pulling. Now the number that you're seeing on the screen right there is not active voltage. That is what is being consumed at this point in time between these two loads. And that's 13.7. That's stating that we are using all the voltage that is available in this circuit. Now, if Mike just goes over and isolates one of these bulbs,
let's just choose this one.
This is the positive and negative side on the bulb, and you're looking at, we're only seeing 7 volts. That 7 volts means that this bulb is using 7 of that 13.8 volts. Now, I know 7 is not directly half of 13.8, but if we go and transfer this over
to the other bulb,
to the other side, you're going to see the same thing.
It's using 6.7 volts.
It's using 6.7. So, actually what we have going on here is my lamp 1 that he tested first is actually
using a little bit more voltage.
And that's going to be due to probably a lesser resistance in one bulb or a greater resistance in the other. Stating it that way due to the fact that all bulbs kind of are made different. You get one made in China versus elsewhere. You could have a little bit bigger variance in what the actual rated resistance or voltage amperage is on a bulb. So that being said, what we're looking at yet again is the division of power between two units on a single circuit. And that's how you do a voltage drop test.
Test your whole component and then narrow it down between the two points you're trying to see individually.
Other than that, thank you for watching this short clip on Tom and Mike's Garage.